Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Chevy Malibu battery. Before you begin, gather your essential tools, including 10mm and 13mm sockets, an extension, and a pick tool. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off and all accessories are unplugged to prevent electrical shorts. Now let's remove the old battery. First, carefully detach the engine cover and any electrical components connected to it. Using your 10mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive battery cable. After both cables are free, locate and unfasten the battery hold-down clamp, which usually requires a 13mm socket. You can now lift out the old battery. With the old battery out, it's time to install the new one. Gently lower the fresh battery into the tray, ensuring it sits flat and stable. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and tighten its 13mm bolt to secure the battery in place. Next, connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal, tightening it with your 10mm wrench. Finally, attach the negative battery cable to its terminal, making sure all connections are snug. You're almost done. Reattach any engine covers and electrical components you removed earlier, ensuring they click firmly into place. Take a moment to double-check all your connections. They should be tight and secure. Now, start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly. Remember to properly recycle your old battery at an authorized facility. Some models may also have an auxiliary battery in the trunk to consider.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.